Court Passage 1, 100 words per minute. Start. The petitioner is an accused for offences punishable under Section 302 and 201 of the IPC. He was convicted for the said offences and was taken into custody on 11/7/2009 and is in custody from the said date even today. A criminal appeal filed by the petitioner before this court is also dismissed on the claim of the petitioner in the subject petition is that the petitioner, though not completed 14 years as is required in law for a premature release, is before this court seeking consideration of his premature release on account of his exemplary conduct in the prison and acquisition of several educational qualifications while in prison. The qualification that the petitioner has required while in prison are as follows. The petitioner has acquired postgraduate certificate training in cyber law from National Open University. A certificate to that effect is also issued to the petitioner. The petitioner has further acquired post-graduation diploma in criminal justice, again by the National Open University. A certificate to that effect is also appended to the petition. Apart from the qualifications that he has acquired while he is in prison, there are several certificates of appreciation by the Superintendent of Prison appended to the petition. These are all matters of record and are not in dispute. The imprisonment certificate of the petitioner would demonstrate that the petitioner has completed close to 13 years 2 months as on date in prison, and according to the learned AGA, he has to wait for another 10 months for completion of 14 years for him to seek any premature release. Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner would seek to place reliance upon plethora of judgments rendered by the apex court, where the detainee has been released much before the completion of 14 years or much before completion of the term, owing to the qualifications that they have possessed during their imprisonment and for the exemplary conduct that they have maintained while in prison as per the certificates issued by the respective superintendents of such prison. The detainee in his case is about 46 years of age now, and we are informed that during the period of incarceration in jail, he has completed the following educational. We find that the detainee in this case was convicted in another case under Section 120 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 and sentenced to imprisonment for 5 years, and was convicted under Section 4 of the Explosives Substance Act